I'll be introducing you to pricing methods. So here we have our most common pricing methods. We have list pricing, cost plus markup pricing, block pricing, and custom pricing. List pricing in SteelBrick CPQ is handled like Salesforce product pricing and opportunities. Each opportunity line item has a list price that originated in the price book, a sale price, if the user overrode the list price, and a total price, which is automatically calculated as sales price multiplied by quantity and then subtract discounts. Cost plus markup pricing. So your organization may determine the price of a product based on its cost plus a markup amount rather than list price and discount. Cost plus markup pricing is mostly used in manufacturing. Block pricing. So block pricing allows you to assign a fixed price to a product based on a quantity, overriding the automatic calculation of quantity multiplied by unit price. So for example, you may sell user licenses on a subscription basis. You charge by the pack. Purchasing 1 of 4 licenses costs $100, but 5 of 10 licenses cost $130. Another good example of block pricing is cell phone minutes. And finally, we have custom pricing, also known as special price. So custom pricing requires special formulas, rules, anything used to calculate value and assign it to a special field called special price, which is located on the quote line. There's another field that needs to be populated as well. This is called special price type. This is essentially where you enter your reason for your special price. When both fields are populated, then we automatically store the value as the regular price. Then the rest of the discounts still apply. To trigger special price, you must populate the special price type, and to cancel your special price, leave your special price type blank. Let's start on our product page. This is where most of our prices will be located. Click the pricing method field. As you can see, list was the default. I'd like to add some pricing related lists to my product page, so I'm going to go ahead and click the blue pop-out menu in the right-hand corner. Then click Edit Layout. Click Related Lists. I would like to add the cost related list to my product page and the block prices related list. Let's go into the block prices related list. I'd like to edit something in there. Go into the buttons section. Let's add a button. Add the Edit All button. This will allow you to add or edit several block prices at once rather than adding your block prices one by one by one. This will make things go a lot faster. It's very handy. Alright, let's go ahead and save that. Answer yes to overwrite users related list customizations. Let's go check out our new related lists. You'll see our newly added block prices and costs related lists. Go ahead and click Edit All under block prices. I'm going to walk you through block pricing. Let's enter our price name, which will just be 1 to 100. This block's lower bound will be 1 and upper will be 101. So the reason we have to enter 101 for our upper bound is that our upper bound is not included in the block, but our lower bound is. So you notice our price name is 1 to 100. So if we want to have 100 included in our block, we have to enter 101 into our upper bound. Click the plus button to add another block. Let's make this one a lot bigger, so let's name it 1000 plus. Lower bound 1000. I just went ahead and made the upper bound a ridiculously large number, like 1 million, something I would never reach. Alright, so this is block pricing. I'm just going to hit cancel. I'm not going to save this one. Just wanted to show you what it would look like. And as I mentioned before, if we were to enact our block pricing, you'd want to go to the pricing method field and select block from the drop-down menu. I want to point out the pricing method editable field. This allows sales reps to edit pricing on the fly on the quote line, so that's useful. You can actually add an additional option to the pricing method drop-down menu. To do this, go ahead and click the blue pop-out menu in the right-hand corner and click View Fields. Scroll down to and select the pricing method custom field. Scroll down to the pick list values section. As you can see, we have our list, cost, and block pick list values. List is marked as our default pick list values. Click New so we can add a new value. Just call this value Custom. Custom is basically the same as list price, but if you flag it as price editable, then the customer price is editable instead of the list price. Then you'll want to make sure that you select the Price Editable checkbox and save. Alright, let's go ahead and return to our appliance product. And these are the options you'd like to select. Just want to review cost and margin quickly. So the cost object is a related list on the product object. You can use it in the same way as a price book entry, and it can be extended. And margin is calculated on the quote line object, and you create a roll-up summary field to aggregate at the quote level.